How to transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Phantom Wallet, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see an interface like this and you'll be redirected to your home. So over here, you'll be able to see an option that says receive. So just click on receive. And here you gotta select Solana from the list. So just click on Solana, and here you'll be able to see this QR code. You can either open the QR code scanner on your Coindcx, or you can copy this address by clicking over here, or you can even share this address to any of your friends. So once you copy it, you gotta go and open your Coindcx. So once you have opened Coindcx, you will be able to see an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on this crypto transactions option, and then you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. Over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see two options, withdraw and deposit. So you're going to click on withdraw. Now over here you got to select the network. For example, in our case we're doing Solana, so you got to search for the Solana token, and then you got to select the amount you wish to withdraw to Phantom Wallet. And with that, you also got to paste that wallet address of Phantom that you previously copied from Phantom Wallet. And once you paste that, you can hit send, and that is how you can transfer your Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.